Welcome to Finally Got Fit, Real Talk with Moose, the podcast where we ditch the gimmicks and get real about getting healthy again. This isn't about chasing six-packs or punishing workouts. It's about creating a better routine, fuel, move, recover, repeat. That's how you finally get fit and actually stay that way. Hey everyone, it's Mike here. If you're new, Moose is just the cartoon version of me you see in my videos and daily tips. Moose reminds me, and you, to keep this health and fitness stuff simple. No hype, no guilt, just actions you repeat until they become who you are. Today, I want to tie together everything we've talked about in past episodes. When you boil it down, all the good stuff lives inside one loop. F.M.R.R, fuel, move, recover, repeat. If you ever feel lost, drowning in trends, diets, or hacks, F.M.R.R is your anchor. It's the routine you come back to when life gets busy, stressful, or messy. Here's the thing. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're buried under endless, conflicting advice. One day, carbs will kill you. The next, rice is your secret energy weapon. One person swears by fasting 18 hours a day. Another says fasting will wreck your hormones. One video says lift heavy, train like a beast. Another says too much, stress will age you faster. Even the basics, sleep, sunlight, salt, supplements. Everyone has an opinion. It's exhausting. And when you're overwhelmed, you do what? Nothing. Or you jump to the next shiny plan, hoping this one will finally work. I've been there. When I was trying to drop weight, gain strength, fix my sleep, I was reading endless articles, blogs, and posts following different experts, trying to blend it all together. It never stuck. Now I see it for what it is, noise. F.M.R.R cuts through that. When in doubt, fuel, move, recover, repeat. Fuel is your foundation. If your food is garbage, you feel like garbage. It's that simple. For me, my first meal is the same almost every day. Real protein, eggs, beef, or fish, good fats, real salt. Nothing fancy, not Instagram worthy, but it works every time. I keep it boring on purpose. Boring means repeatable. If you wouldn't trust it inside your body, don't eat it. If you can't pronounce it, skip it. Protein bars and low-fat yogurts with 25 ingredients aren't real fuel. If fuel is your weak spot, plan just one real food meal today. Repeat that meal all week if you need to. Simple wins. Movement is the signal your body is alive, not stuck behind a desk or a couch. You don't need to work out every day, but you do need to move daily. I'm not training like an athlete 7 days a week. I'm walking, I'm squatting to pick things up. Maybe a short strength session if I have time. Even if I don't, that walk still happens. It's part of my day. When I skip it, I feel it. Mood dips, sleep suffers, back stiffens up. You don't need a huge plan. You need to layer movement into the life you already live. If move is your gap, add 10 minutes today. After lunch, after dinner, after a meeting, small moves add up, and they're easy to repeat. Recovery is the one people overlook, me included, years ago. We live in a culture that worships hustle and grind. Sleep when you're dead, do more, work harder. But your body can't give you more if you never give it a break. Sleep rebuilds muscle. Sleep clears your brain. Sleep balances hormones. It's free, and you can't hack your way out of it. I used to think staying up late to work on one more thing was a flex. Then my energy tanked, my recovery stalled, and I felt like a zombie. Now I protect it. No screens before bed. Mouth tape. Because nasal breathing matters. No caffeine after noon. If I miss a good night's sleep, I fix it the next night. If recover is your weakest link, pick one thing. An earlier bedtime, a screen curfew, mouth taping, blackout curtains. Try it this week. Feel the difference. Repeat is the glue. It's the difference between a good Monday and an actually healthy life. Repeat means you do it again and again and again. One healthy meal doesn't fix a week of junk. One workout won't make you fit. One night of good sleep won't erase months of stress. But one day, repeated over and over, changes everything. It's the boring, consistent, unsexy stuff that gets you where you want to be. If repeat is your gap, look at your basics. Is your routine too complicated to stick with? Do you chase new plans every week because you're bored? Stick with what works. Keep it simple. Do it again. My real life F.M.R.R. is simple. I eat a meal I know fuels me. Real protein, real salt, real fat. I get outside for a walk, fresh air, sunlight, headspace. I sleep like it matters because it does. Then I do it again tomorrow, even when I'm busy, traveling, tired, or not feeling 100%. The best plan is the one you'll actually do. F.M.R.R. works if you do it. So what's your weakest link this week? Fuel, move, recover, repeat. Pick one. Make it so easy you can't fail. Do it until it's boring, then do it again and again. Message me, comment, or DM me. Moose and I want to hear your one thing. And yes, Moose is me, so I'm reading it. If this helps you cut through the noise, share it with someone who needs it. Someone stuck, overwhelmed, or chasing a perfect plan that never sticks. Keep it simple. Fuel, move, recover, repeat. It works if you do it. Moose and I are rooting for you. Go do your reps, and I'll see you next time.